Aussie dollar here getting absolutely annihilated. That's great to see. It's almost at its monthly range at 63.5. Completely destroyed the zone. You can see I did have a retracement here. I don't know if it hit it. Let's see. I had drawn this and it to see if it would come back up. Oh, at this point, oh yeah, this isn't valid at all. But looking at this now, yeah, it came back up to the 65 level after it broke, which I drew, and then yeah, completely, you got this bearish engulfing candle here. Yeah, this would have been a great entry. I missed this one, but would have been just textbook good, and then just bearish candle after bearish candle. Today pulled up a little bit and is now pulling back down, so that's good. I think it'll keep going to 63.5. You got this nice area of resistance now, right around in the 65 level, so yeah, price is still way below this moving average, so everything's moving good. You got all these zones that they were liquidity zones, and then every time price hit them, it sold off even more, so that's good. I think 63.5 is still our best bet. You can see there is some weekly support in this area as well, which price is hitting now, so that might, maybe price doesn't quite make it to 63. 63.5, maybe it only makes it to 64. I'll actually I'll draw that out here. Let's see, 0.64, 0.64, because you really got to be mindful of these whole numbers, because price, like I said, the price loves whole numbers, so it'll hit one of these and just get stuck. Very, very common. So, but there's still some range, I think, in this. If we look at the monthly range here, well, actually, nope, it's pretty much done its range. Its average range is 362 pips, and it's at 359. So this might be it, guys. It might not go much further than this at all. So today's candle might fill this wick a little bit and then pull back even more. So I would not look to short this anymore. You can see I actually got some pretty good bull structure here setting up. If price makes another high, you can see like there's a pretty good rejection here, and then this big bullish candle here. So we might get something like this now. So I do think that Aussie dollar might be at its end, which hopefully, I mean, if the Aussie pulls up against the dollar, hopefully it pulls up against the yen as well. Gets me out of that position that I'm in, but yeah, I do think this could start pulling up, guys. I think might have to wait. I guess tomorrow's Friday, so we'll have to see how tomorrow's candle closes. And then obviously this weekly candle is very bearish, but it is in that major zone here that we drew out before. And like I said, it's pretty much at its monthly range of 350 pips, 360 pips. So, but who knows, if it breaks the zone, could keep going to 63.5. But I don't think there's a trade worth taking. If you were to like get in like relatively soon and then just hold it to 63.5 and pray that it breaks 64 level, I think that's a bad idea. I think there's not really, A, it's not that probable, and B, it's there's the risk reward's just not there. If you're looking at like only a 2 risk to reward, it's not good. So for me, it's not good enough it's not worth entering a trade for that little of reward. But really nice to see the monthly move just play out perfectly. Like this is August 1st, and it literally just came down all of August. Did its pretty much full monthly move already, possibly has done its full monthly move just right from day one. No pullbacks, just healthy. There's some entries, you could have got in here, which is great, gave you time to get in, and then yeah, that's your whole entire August move. So just perfect. 350 pips down, 360 pips down. You love to see that. So, but might be pulling up soon, so I would wait for that. I would not short it for a little bit here, just let it see how it settles out, if it settles out. And odds are, if it does break the 64 level, it's probably not going to go much lower than 63.5. So I don't think it's worth taking a short position on anytime soon. I would just wait it out and see, maybe next week, or if maybe next month. Probably see the next position, for next month. Maybe it's a nice retracement up, and make some money off that, off the retracement of this perfect move. So, because like technically it hasn't retraced from all the way up here, so we could be due for a retrace. That could be coming next month. That could be coming the rest of this month actually too. So totally possible. We don't know yet. We'll just have to see how today closes. Today being Friday, and then the weekly, obviously, like how the weekly closes overall, and yeah, we'll have to go from there. So that is the Aussie dollar.